Hi guys, welcome to NFT show. Today we're going to be discussing what are going to be the top projects on Opensea and Gate.io. As we can see, apes are back on top because ETH has been pumping as well, and there's a lot of factors behind the ape coin that we've been seeing lately. Has been trending and has been very bullish, and also people got free airdrops for that. We discussed that last week as well. Now we look into the top ones. All the top projects look very good. Mostly they're all related to bored apes, so that is a very interesting sign, especially for the people who are very bullish on bored apes. I think definitely they're going to be very happy about whatever is happening in the ecosystem. They even have a trailer that just launched recently for the metaverse that they're going to be having. Now we get into all the projects today. The first one I want to discuss today has to be Ethereum Towers. Ethereum Towers is a huge project. It's based on ETH. They have two plazas, currently two towers that they're going to be selling out floor by floor and apartment by apartment. So it's a very interesting project. We know that all the projects that are related to metaverses do pretty well. So Ethereum is a community-centric vertical megastructure consisting of 4388 resident-owned apartments and a variety of communal areas set in the forthcoming Ethereum World Metaverse. Designed by award-winning architect, Ethereum Towers will be flagship residence in an expanding metaverse that will provide an involving, exciting, and socially dynamic experience for all residents and visitors. Consisting of two separate conceptual towers, Ethereum Towers is made up of 4388 apartments spanning across 101 floors in each tower. Each floor is comprised of no more than 22 apartments, standard, luxury, and penthouse. So looks very interesting. Floor is also very good. If you just want to ape into this is still very reasonable price. I'm sure in the long run it's gonna go very high, probably maybe 1 to 2 ETH easily. If we look into the card is very beautiful. Obviously it's hidden art, so we can't really see the tower or the floors, how exactly they look like. But overall, if we want to see this, we can clearly see that you're gonna get a VIP card that is gonna help you get into your apartment as well. If we now look into the volume for the last 90 days, you can see started at almost 4.6533 ETH, and now slowly the floor has been going down, up and down, pretty sideways movement. Right now it's pretty cheap. You can easily get into it in very reasonable price. And even if you wanted to see what is the activity like, so in an hour it was sold for $2,500, $2,816, $2,346, $2,000, $2,000, $2,000, $1,940, even $9,000 for the penthouse. So I'm sure this project has a lot of potential. If you just want to be in the penthouse or a luxury one or a standard one, I'm sure everybody would want to have one of these apartments very soon, because it is a very beautiful project. Like you can see here in the animation as well, looks amazing. And I'm sure this is going to be something very important because it's called Ethereum Towers itself. So there's going to be 202 floors, 2 towers, 1 community. You can buy it on Opensea. White paper looks amazing as well. The community itself is very good. So for now, Q4 2021 is passed by. Q1 2022 official project launch, metaverse production, tokenomics production, commercial partnerships, in-world asset production, and then Q3 2022 metaverse MVP launch, in-world asset launch, integrated marketplace MVP, MVP feedback cycle, Ethereum world discovery, and then 2023 onwards is gonna be metaverse MVP plus delivery, marketplace MVP plus delivery, Ethereum world's expansion, and much more to be announced. So very soon, I think this project has a very good potential. Looks very exciting, and the name itself makes a lot of sense and speaks itself. And then the next project we have for us today has to be Small Bros NFT. Very beautiful art. I really like how cute it is. So they have about 8.9k items, 5.8k owners, so the distribution is very good, and the floor is also very reasonable. It's going for about 0.069. Volume traded is also very reasonable. There are 888 small bros that are here to remind you you're never alone in this journey, small bro, on a mission to connect people together. So very good idea that it's going to be a very exclusive community. The art looks very cute. Some of the pictures and some of the art is very cute and adorable. I really like the concept. I really like the background. It's very good to have some kind of animation of clouds or something in the background, and then we can clearly see that they have very cute beanie that he's wearing and says bros. So this is something probably gonna bring a lot of friends together, a lot of colleagues together, and the price itself is very reasonable right now, which makes it even more exciting. Now if we look into the activity in the last 90 days, we can see it's downhill. We clearly know the NFT market is now in some sort of pullback, some sort of bear market going on here as well. So it started on March 22nd, 2022. So the average price was about 0.2546, and then slowly it's been coming down on the daily basis. Right now it's trading for 0.0837, which is a very good price to get into this project, considering that the owners are almost completed. There's only a few more to get in, and that is going to be very good. So this is a bit cheaper. It's not in 1000 or 2000 ETH levels. You can still get it for $247. You can still see there's a lot of volume coming in, and people are pretty happy about this project because it's at a very reasonable price. The distribution is so well, and an average price is from about $200 to $350. So it's very reasonable for everybody to ape into this. The potential looks very good. So overall, even this project has a lot about it that I feel like it's going to be very important for us to discuss. That's why I selected it this week. And now if we look at their website, we can see the website itself is so cute right now that I'm just in love with the idea and the concept and the art. It looks amazing. So who are the small bros? They're going to be 888, like we saw. They're going to be creating strong friendships, foster individual growth. We want to remind people that they are never alone in this journey. So there's going to be a lot of things coming on this way as well. Their traits are going to be body, accessory, hat, eyes, mouth, shirt. So the traits are pretty common. Then they have a roadmap which looks very good. So they're going to be having a custom VR PC hub, and they also have Bros merch coming very soon. Then they have Bros charity. Then they have Bros giveaway. So it is a very good concept, very good art, and the whole idea behind it is very good right now. The team itself is very good as well. So there's going to be a lot of potential in this project, and I'm definitely sure that this project is definitely going to be becoming very big. It just started, bro. Listed mint on 21st of March. So it's just starting. Today is just about 4 days after its launch. Overall, the roadmap looks good, the team looks good, and most of all, the art is very cute. So I think if you can relate to this art, you should definitely ape into this project, because this project speaks a lot of volumes about itself, because the art is so cute in it that I am 110% sure that this project is definitely going to be making some waves very soon. Now, if you want to jump into Gate.io and see my own assets right now, so I got this beautiful Arsenal egg from my friend NFTSI. So I would definitely recommend you guys, and I'm going to put his Instagram link below as well, so you guys can follow them and see exactly what other projects they're working on right now. And very important thing is, these guys are very talented. They made sweet bunnies as well, so I'm sure you're gonna love their art as well. The main thing I have aped into last week is about Sweetie Tigers, Sweet Girl, DreamVerse, the Arsenal egg, crypto losers we got 2 weeks ago. So a lot of NFTs that I bought lately, especially on Gate.io, because I really like the projects, and that's the reason we're going to be discussing DreamVerse today. DreamVerse is a very important metaverse that is going to be launching very soon. Has a lot of potential as well and looks very exciting. So we're going to see what are the details for us to discuss today. So DreamVerse is a highly realistic, refined virtual world that restores stars, top IP worlds as films, television, animation, games, and real-world. DreamVerse is committed to creating metaverse with high fidelity, refinement, some visual impact, and immersive strong experience. Users can sell, build, share, participate, and interact with others to obtain the same sense of existence and experience as in reality. All participants will immerse themselves and jointly create a new world. So if you want to get into this project, they have two concepts. You have to get the characters, which we can see below on Gate.io, and the land is mainly sold on Opensea. So they have divided the project very beautifully. I really like this idea, and even if you look at the items and the distribution, it's very good. And most importantly, the floor is very reasonable. So about $4. Like if you want to filter this out and we go on for sale, we can see you can get some of them for $4, and it goes all the way up to about $48, $50, even $200. The difference between both the art is their traits. So we're going to check them out too. What are the difference in their traits? And obviously the class of the character, that is the gold one with the gold sign, is going to be more valuable, and the one with the silver sign is going to be less valuable. So we even see it even goes to $588. There's different price ranges. There's different concepts. So it's all up to you which one you want to ape into, which one you ideally like. We can't really say there which one is the best and which one isn't the best. because there's so many of them that we can't be certain that which is going to be making it to the top 100 or the top 10s, which ones trades are the best, until we start seeing how the beta version of this project is going to be doing. So we get into their website as well. We can see that they just released on a beta version which had a very good successful launch. You can join their Discord to get further information about that too. And overall the project looks very good. It's gonna be a very beautiful metaverse. We can see some animations here, some graphic ideas. It looks very detailed. We haven't seen anything like that lately in the markets, so I'm sure this project has massive hype around it, and it's going to be doing pretty much very well very soon. So DreamVerse land is a non-homogeneous token NFT. It is a virtual token stored in the blockchain. It has scarcity, security, authenticity, and each land is indivisible and will not disappear. So you can always have these lands. The land prices are also very reasonable. So the rich avatar and VR scenes, NFT transforms into 3D avatars such as Cosmic Guardian, Monkey King, Bored Ape. At the same time, rich VR scenes can enable players to feel personally and experience the charm the meta universe has. So these are the creators as well. They are very good guys. They also are working on their own token. So it's gonna call DV. It's the official functional token of Dreamverse. You can use it to buy and sell land or other NFTs in Dreamverse Metaverse. And they have very good partners. They have Ape NFTs, they have Gate.io, they have Meta Focus, Meta State. A lot of big players in this market space definitely are going to be very important for us. And then you can also create, you can display, there's a map. So let's check out creation. So if you want to build your own scene very soon enough, you will be able to create your own things here, realize your imagination coming very soon. You can build however you want to have things on your own land and state. It's going to be very similar concept to what we've seen in Sandbox. We go on display, we can clearly see on display that they have Dreamverse Cosmic Guardian Mystery Box Season 1. Then there's Season 2, which is going to be more female oriented. Then there's Dreamverse Cosmic Guardian Final Season 3 final chapter. So that is also very interesting. Then they're gonna have DreamWorks Stark Monkey. Then they're gonna have DreamWorks Monkey King, which we have seen there is going about $400-500. And also you can get some of them for $40. Then we have running Dog Mystery Box, which is gonna be coming soon as well. So there's a lot of action happening on this project overall. Now let's get into their map. So as we can see, they have different sizes. They have different lands available. So if you want, you can obviously ape into it. Check out on the website. I'm going to put the link in the description below, and you can check out whether you like the land, what you think about the whole project. It's going to help you out whether you want to ape into this project or not, whether you like this project or not. So we can jump into the land prices on OpenSea. Floor right now is about 0.3. Volume rate is very good. There's only 432 items, and we already have 151 owners. The land is called Limited NFT, created by Dreamverse, with a total saleable number of 73,988, allowing players to own part of the meta universe. Land is the physical space owned by players, which can store NFT assets and support players to develop games on their own land and lease land to other game developers. So it's a very good investment if you really ask me. Going about 0.3 ETH, it's very reasonable price. You even can see the coordinates, so you can connect them and see how they fit exactly on the map. And probably you will have a better idea. Like we can see this Tron as well. There's some members from the Ape clubs as well. So that's the reason I feel like this project has a lot of potential right now in the market spaces, and definitely it can be very huge very soon. And even if you look at the price of the floor, it keeps going up and down. So that's one reason that clearly shows us that there's a lot of interest in the project. If we see the activity, we can see it's going from about $700, $800, $3,000, depending on the size you want to buy of the land. There's different sizes that you can get. So basically it's starting from $600 to about $500 and goes all the way up to thousands of dollars. So you can expect whichever you want to have. You can do a bit of your research and then decide whether you want to ape into this project or not. Now we get into Omimiz. It's a very interesting project that I like. It's very cute as well, and there's been a lot of hard work behind it by the creators. So they have about 989 items, now 106 owners, and the floor is very reasonable. If you want to get into it, it's only $5, and the volume traded is also very good. And if you see the art, it's so cute, it's so detailed, like the one with the hat and the mustache looks amazing. the one that is smoking and just say hodl with the Ethereum sign. So even small things, they have kept so much detail that makes it just something unique and very different from the art we have seen. It is has to be a very cute and beautiful project that you want to get into. So we get into for sale now and see what are the ones that we can get for a really good price. So they are going from about different prices. You can even, so you can change it from recently to price descending. So we will get the ones that are going to be pretty expensive as well, and then we're going to go down. So they have very good prices as well, and very expensive prices as well, because the art is so detailed that it does deserve that kind of attention. So if you want to get the ones that meet the floor price about $5, these are the ones you can consider $5, and even they have a lot of detail in them, like the one who's wearing a Verme's hoodie, and also probably he's himself also a wormy, so it looks very cute, very unique there, very good idea as well. A lot of them look very beautiful, very interesting art. Haven't seen anything like that yet in the markets, so I'm definitely very bullish on this project as well. I'm going to be aping into this project very soon, and hopefully I get a very good one, which is saying the hodl cap with the Ethereum sign. That is something I'm really excited about. So that's all for today's NFT show. I hope you liked today's NFT show. If you do, smash the like button, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And then tomorrow we're going to be having a special Gate.io tutorial. Do tune in for that if you want to keep learning and keep earning.